Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new series of on pregnancy. आज हम बहुत ही important बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. We'll be talking about how to embrace pregnancy. किस तरह से हम अपनी प्रेगनेंसी को एक अच्छे वे में आगे लेके जा सकते हैं. किस तरह हम जो सारी उससे कठिनाइयाँ आती हैं या जो भी हमारे मन में आशंकाएँ आती हैं या हमें जो भी प्रेगनेंसी से नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स आती हैं या नेगेटिव इमोशंस आते हैं, हाउ टू गेट रिड ऑफ दिस, हाउ टू बी हैप्पी, हाउ टू एम्ब्रेस प्रेगनेंसी. सो सबसे पहली चीज़ विच कम्स टू योर माइंड इज़ दैट वंस यू सी द प्रेगनेंसी किट, are you ready for it, or are you nervous, or are you excited? So let's start with this section of video, and I hope each one of you who is pregnant does watch this video till the end, because this will give you different ways in which you can be more happier during your pregnancy. You can enjoy your pregnancy because it is such a divine experience that I recommend you to watch till the end. So this is the first question that comes to your mind when you see the pregnancy test. Are you ready for it? Are you nervous, or are you excited? So how do you feel? Are you feeling like this? Like you're really happy that you wanted this child and you're looking forward to it? So you're planning your pregnancy with your husband, or you're still confused whether you want to have this kid or you don't want to have this kid, or your partner and you both are not prepared for this pregnancy at this moment of time. Hey, no need to worry. You always can talk to your partner about how you're feeling, what you want to decide. And if you are still not sure of how you want to go ahead, hey, go and consult your gynecologist. She's going to help you. She's going to counsel you how to proceed. I'm here today going to talk about 15 such ways which can make you happier during your pregnancy. So let's get started on that. So first and foremost thing which is very important is that you should never have self-doubt on yourself. You should never believe that you can't do it. You should not be confused that how will you take care of the kid, what will happen next, or are you ready for it? Stop worrying about the baby. How is the baby going to be read? How are you going to manage your pregnancy? Just be positive. That is the second important thing. Enjoy your life. Enjoy this pregnancy. Enjoy motherhood. Be privileged to be a part of it. Enjoy each day of your pregnancy. Take each day as it comes. So how you can do that? So third important is to have a positive mindset. Have positive mind, it will give you a positive vibe and a positive life. Surround yourself with positive souls, the people who give you positive vibes. Talk to them more often. This will make pregnancy a positive experience. Fourth important is to practice gratitude daily. How you can do that is you can make a diary that is called a gratitude diary, wherein you can write each and everything you feel grateful for every day you get up in the morning. I can give you 4 easy ways to practice gratitude every day. First is notice one thing that is good. Second, express gratitude to someone. Third, do an act of kindness and create a gratitude chart, which is what is same as a gratitude notebook. Fourth important is to have a happy, healthy lifestyle. So what exactly it means? You have to incorporate good diet. You have to incorporate a balanced diet in your regime during the pregnancy. It should be rich in folic acid. It should be rich in lots of iron, and it should be having vitamin D component in the diet. So all these micro and macronutrients should be sufficiently present, and your gynecologist will definitely guide you to achieve the desired balance in the food. Point number 5, try following your hobbies. Try following what you would love to do when you're free. So what happens is when you're creative, your minds are creative during pregnancy, your kids are likely to incorporate those interests in them. So be happy in doing whatever you like, whether it is singing, dancing, painting, or photography, anything. Point number 6, practice meditation. Meditation relieves the stress hormones which are all in imbalance during pregnancy. So it'll help you emotionally a lot. Seventh point is going for yoga classes. And if you're already knowing yoga, practice it on a daily basis. You can do 15 minutes yoga exercises in the morning and 15 in the evening. It'll keep you physically, emotionally balanced. Eighth important is to be spiritual during the time of pregnancy. It is a time when you connect with the higher body, you connect with God. Actually, when you realize that you have a child in the womb, you become more aware, you become more thoughtful of life when it is growing inside you. Ninth is there is an option that you can make a to-do list in your pregnancy that will occupy your time. 10th is you can prepare for your baby's arrival. So how do you do that? You buy clothes for your baby, you try and plan the photo shoot for the baby. Once the baby is out, you start reading books about parenting. So 10th important point is to read books about parenting to occupy yourself during pregnancy. 11th, as you know, pregnancy is in hormonal state. So hey, blame your hormones for that. Pregnancy is the happiest reason ever for feeling like crap and shit. So you have to decide whether you're going to go this way or you're going to find a way to keep your hormones in shape. You can do that. You can talk to your husband that how are you feeling, what are you going through. So for all your mood swings, definitely you can always blame your hormones. 12th important thing that is very exciting is plan your dates, plan your weekend dates, go out on outings, go out for dinner dates. Just enjoy this period and try to be connected with your husband as much as you can. Coming to the 13th important point, how you can keep your body relaxed during pregnancy is by pampering yourself. You can go out to a spa, get a hair massage, get a body massage, get a pedicure. Hey, and the other thing which you can do is look good and feel good. So when you look good, you definitely feel good. Coming to the 14th important point is go out with your friends, go out with them more often, do lots of maternity shopping, buy exciting new maternity wear, and last but not the least, the 15th most important point is to plan a maternity photo shoot. I believe this is the most exciting thing one can plan. And lastly, there is one thing which I would be laying stress upon is that to avoid smoking and alcohol during pregnancy. Thank you guys for watching it, and I hope you have found out many ways you can get engaged during your pregnancy. You can enjoy the whole process of pregnancy, enjoy it as the day passes, and be more positive. Wish you good luck for your pregnancy, guys. Okay, all the best.